Welcome to everyone. Today I will discuss about domain and range of set and function. Look at the board. All possible input values is called domain and all possible output values is called range. For example, f of x equals to y. Here x input values, here y output values. Here x is called domain and y is called range. For example, f of x f of x 2x plus 1. Here value of x is true, all values of x. So you can write any real value. Firstly, we put value 1. If we put value 1 instead of x, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 on the 2 plus 1. See, f of 2, when we put the value of x 2, so we can get 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. When we put the value of c, we get the value 2 into 3 plus 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. It is up to infinity. It is not possible to write all values of x because it is up to infinity. Any real values is accepted. So you can write if determine here f of x, this is x, this is the value of y, this is x input values, this is y output values. When the value of x 1, then value of y equals to 3. So we can write x comma y. When the value of x 1, value of y equals to 3. When the value of x equals to 2, value of y equals to 5. When the value of x equals to 3, value of y equals to 7. It is up to infinity. Here x and y, here value of x 1, 2, 3 and value of y 3, 5, 7. We know from order pair of any relation, order pair of first element of any relation is called domain and order pair of any relation second element is called range. So we can write domain 1, 2, 3 and range 3, 5, 7. Here domain and range are real values. For values of x, we can get value of y. It's called range. Do you understand? Order pair of first element is called domain and order pair of second element is called range. So we can write first element 1, 2, 3 and second element second element 3, 5, 7. So domain, first element and second element. Here x input values and here y output values. Do you understand domain and range? Okay. Next example. Find domain and range of the following function. Number 1, f of x equals to x. Number 2, f of x equals to x square. Number 3, f of x equals to x, x minus 3. Number 4, f of x two x 3x root over x minus 2. We have to solve domain and range of the following function. Firstly, we solve question 1. Solution 1, f of x equals to x. Here we can see the value of x is domain. It is true for all values of x. It is not possible to write all values of x because it is up to infinity. So we can write domain x belongs to R. So range also, range mean y belongs to R. Here are real number or any real number. It is here all real number accepted. Somebody asked me question, sir, how is it possible? Domain x belongs to R and range x belongs to y belongs to R. Okay, now look at the board. How is it possible? Here f of x, as it is true for all values of x, so we firstly we put the value of 1. When here x, here y, x input values, y output values. When the value of x equals to 1, then value of y equals to 1. When the value of x equals to 2, value of y equals to also 2. When value of 3, value of x equals to 3, value of y equals to also 3. Here we can see here domain and range is always equal. Here x 1 to 3 and y 1 to 3, as domain and range is equal, so we can write domain x belongs to R and range y belongs to R. Here x input values and y output values. Here we can write x comma y 1 to 1 1. When the value of x 1, value of y 1. When the value of x 2, value of y equals to 2. When the value of x equals to 3, value of y equals to 3. We can see here domain and range are equal. So you can write x belongs to R and y belongs to R. Do you understand? Okay, next. This is a rough. Next, solution 2, f of x, x square here domain also x belongs to R, because here all real values is true for x. Okay, here x belongs to R. And range, here range also y belongs to R, such that here y mean here x square is greater than equal 0. It is the rules of real number. A square of any number cannot be negative. It is the rules of real number. So as the range means y, here y means range, so y is greater than equal 0. At the right side, we have to find out range. Range equals to y. So as the value of x square is greater than 0, so y is greater than equal 0. So you can write right side x square mean y is greater than equals to 0. So here range y is greater than 0. Next, number 3. Number 3, f of x 2x x minus 2. We have to find out domain and range. How is it possible? It is the rules of a denominator. Here, the rules of denominator f of x will be defined if and only if x minus 2 not equals to 0. Here denominator not equals to 0. So you can write x minus 2 not equal 0. So x not equal to. How can we prove this function f of x? 2x x minus 2, as it is true for all values of x. So we can put any real value. Suppose firstly we put value 1. So 2 into 1, 1 minus 2, 2 1 is 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal minus 2. When the value of x equals to 2, 2 into 2, 2 minus 2, 2 to the 4, 2 minus 2, 0. It is undefined. 4 divided 0, it is undefined. It is undefined. Another example, when f x equals to 3, so 2 into 3, 3 minus 2, 3 to the 6, 3 minus 2, 1 equals to 6. Except 2, it is not allowed. Except 2, all real values is domain of this function. Do you understand? Except 2, all real values is domain of this function, because when the value of x equals to 2, then the result is undefined. So we deduct 2. So we can write domain equal all real values mean R minus or except 2. Here all real values except 2. Okay. Next. Next, range. Find range. Find range. Range means y. Here we have to find out the value of y. Here let y equals to f of x 2x x minus 2. So you can write x equals to f inverse y. This is equation 1. Here f of x y, so x equals to f inverse y. Again, y equals 2x x minus 2 cross multiplication xy minus 2y equals 2x. Here y common x minus 2 equals to 2x, or y equals to we have to find out the value of x. We have to find out the value of x. Here xy minus 2x minus 2y mean right side sense only 2y, or here common x y minus 2 equals to 2y, or x equals to 2y divided y minus 2. This is also rules of denominator. So we can write x will be defined if and only if y minus 2 not equals to 0. Now y minus 2 not equals 0, so y not equals to 2. So we can write range equals to y belongs to R or real values, real number, such that y not equals to 2. Or we can write all real values deduct 2. Or we can write the result in two ways. This is also right and this is right. Range or real values except 2. Do you understand? Write down very quick. Another example, number 4. F of x 3x root over x minus 2 eto will be defined if and only if denominator root over x minus 2 is greater than 0. This is rules of denominator. Here x greater than only 2. So here domain x belongs to R such that x is greater than 2. Rules of similar. Here range let y equals to f of x 3x root over x minus 2. Here x f inverse y, this is 1, and y equals to 3x root over x minus 2. We use cross multiplication or squaring both sides, as here deduct here root, so we use square root, squaring both sides. So 3 means 3 square 9, 9x square x minus 2, squaring both sides. Here squaring both sides. Here cross multiplication, 9x square x y square minus 2y square, or 9x square minus xy square minus 2y square. Here common x in this method question is wrong, because here question will be accepted only 3 when it is not y. So we deduct here 3 x, here deduct x, here deduct x, only 3. This is 3 square 9 and x minus 2. So here cross multiplication 9, here only 9 x y square minus 2 y square. Here 9 plus 2y square means x y square. So x y square equal 9 plus 2a square. X 9 plus 2y square means y square. Here range here as y square, a square of any number cannot be negative, so y is greater than 0. Here range. Here we can statement x will be defined if and only if y square is greater than equal 0, as it is real number. So range y belongs to R such that y is greater than equal 0. This is our result. Do you understand? Please don't forget to like, share and comment in this math. And last, use subscribe button. Okay, no more today. Allah Hafiz.